A lot of Muslims believe in a concept called karma, where if you do something bad to someone, then a spiritual power will make bad come back to you. Now here is a very important thing. We as Muslims believe in the concept of doing good and good returning, also doing bad and bad returning. But this is not an absolute, where repentance can always wipe away all your bad doings and you can always start afresh with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. However, if something bad does come back to you after you have done something bad to someone else, then we believe this is the qadr of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and not down to something spiritual mumbo jumbo called karma. And did you know it's actually a shirk to believe in other divine interventions or powers or karma or the universe or whatever? We always have to remember that there is only one who decrees all affairs, that is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This is something we can never compromise on, as the deviance in our belief can lead us to the wrong side when we stand in front of Allah for judgment. And always we need to remember those who say karma did this or that, because wallahi, this is not a joke. Make sure to share this video to benefit others and stop believing in karma. Hope this video will help. May Allah bless you and always be happy.